You're able to help them sell their house. You're able to help them make repairs to their house so that they can sell it, or you can sell it to our team so that we can purchase it and put it back out there, or help you through the legal work that needs to be done in order to do that. There's no teams that offer that. There's no teams that offer that. And for me, I really had no interest in setting up a team unless I could offer that. Because now what happens is the more opportunities I give members of my team to work with all of these different pieces of nuance, now they develop experience. Because every single time you come into contact with something, now you can recall, oh, I've been through this before. I've been through this before. I've been through this before. I know what these situations look like. I know what these situations feel like. And now you're creating more well-rounded people, like real estate professionals, to deal with these things. And it's like, I'm not asking them to be experts. I'm asking them to be able to identify the situation and know what solution we as a team can provide.